Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Paysafe. Paysafe is a prepaid payment method that you can use to make online purchases. It's a great option if you're looking for a secure and convenient way to pay for things online. In this video, I'll be covering the following topics. What is Paysafe? How do you get a Paysafe card? Where can you use Paysafe? What are the benefits of using Paysafe? What are the drawbacks of using Paysafe? So, let's get started. What is Paysafe? Paysafe is a prepaid payment method that you can use to make online purchases. It's like a gift card, but it can be used for a variety of different things, such as online shopping, gaming, gambling, travel, entertainment, and more. Paysafe is available in a number of different currencies, so you can use it to make purchases from merchants all over the world. How do you get a Paysafe card? There are a few different ways to get a Paysafe card. You can purchase one online, at a retail store, or at a gas station. You can also get a Paysafe card through a number of different online retailers. Once you have a Paysafe card, you can simply enter the card number and PIN code when you make a purchase online. Where can you use Paysafe? Paysafe is accepted by thousands of merchants all over the world. You can use it to make purchases on websites, apps, and even in person at some retailers. Here are a few of the most popular merchants that accept Paysafe: Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Target, Best Buy, Nike, Adidas, Gap, Old Navy, and many more. What are the benefits of using Paysafe? There are a number of benefits to using Paysafe. Here are a few of the most notable. Security. Paysafe is a secure payment method. Your card information is never shared with the merchant when you make a purchase. Convenience. Paysafe is a convenient way to pay for things online. You don't have to enter your credit card information every time you make a purchase. Flexibility. Paysafe is available in a number of different currencies, so you can use it to make purchases from merchants all over the world. Affordability. Paysafe is a relatively affordable payment method. You can purchase Paysafe cards in a variety of denominations. What are the drawbacks of using Paysafe? There are a few drawbacks to using Paysafe. Here are a few of the most notable. Limited availability. Paysafe is not accepted by all merchants. Fees. Some merchants may charge fees for using Paysafe. Expiration date. Paysafe cards have an expiration date. Overall, Paysafe is a great payment method for online shopping. It's secure, convenient, and affordable. If you're looking for a way to pay for things online that's both safe and easy, Paysafe is a great option. If you're interested in learning more about Paysafe, I encourage you to visit their website. You can also find a list of merchants that accept Paysafe on their website. Thanks for watching.